All right, we're on the study guide looking at numbers 39 through 44. I don't know if I'm going to do all these, but I'm definitely going to pick a couple and do them. The directions say convert each problem from standard form to vertex form. Standard form is that's what all these are in. These are standard form. Vertex form is this right here. A parentheses x minus h in parentheses squared plus k. The minus h means you take the opposite of h when you see it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to solve these problems. What we're going to do is we're going to put these into polysolve. So second polysolve. You're going to press enter, and you're going to just plug in your A, B, and C. So 2, we're doing number 39, negative 8, and positive 4. You press solve, and then you're not worried about these solutions here. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says A, H, and K. So for our A there equals 2. Move that. Our B, or not B, our H is 2 as well, and our K equals negative 4. So now all we're doing is taking this information and plugging it into our formula. So the first thing we have is our A. Our A here is 2, so we put 2. Parentheses X. Now this is minus H, so we look at our H and we take the opposite of the H. So it's 2 here, so when we write it, we'll put minus 2 squared. And then our K, whatever our K is, we keep it the same. So if it says negative 4, we're going to put negative 4 or minus 4, however you want to look at it. And that is the answer. We're actually done from that. So I'm going to do one or two more. Hopefully we'll get a couple different answers here. Let's look at 42. Let's look at 42. I'm going to go in here, clear this out, memory clear, second polysolve, enter. For 42 we have negative 3, enter, negative 24, enter, and negative 49, enter. We go solve, we go all the way down to A, H, and K. Notice our A, right in a different color here, our A is equal to negative 3, our H is equal to negative 4, and our K is equal to negative 1. So we have our A, H, and K. That's all the information we need. And now we're going to use that information and plug it into our vertex form. So again, what that looks like is we put our A first. Notice our A is negative 3, so we're going to put negative 3. Parentheses X. We always take the opposite of our H. That's what that says in our formula. Our H is negative 4, so we're going to put plus 4. That is the opposite. And then K is exactly what it is. Whatever it says, that's what it is. So it's minus 1 or negative 1, so we're going to put minus 1. And that would be our final answer for that question. Be the final answer for that question. I'll do one more. I'm going to do it a little bit quicker to save time. Again, you've kind of seen two examples, so that we should be able to run through this pretty quickly. Second polysolve. Enter, we're doing 43, so we got 2, enter, negative 4, enter, and negative 2, enter. Solve, I go all the way down, and I get my A, H, and K, which A here is 2, my H is 1, and my K is negative 4. So I have all that information. Also, what I'm going to do is, again, plug it into my formula. So I've got 2, parentheses, X minus 1, because that's the opposite of a positive 1, and then minus 4. And that is the vertex form when going from standard form to vertex form. So that handles how you do numbers 39 through 44. Again, there will be questions on that or like that on the test, so be sure to know that process, know how to use polysolve, and how to find your A, H, and K and plug it into the formula. Hope this helps, and we'll see y'all soon.